Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Akash Test Series Medical 2019. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the paper, which is test paper number 5, code ENF in zoology. So let's get started with the very first question. Question number 136. Cryptorchidism, that is, failure of descent of testes in humans, occurs due to, and the options are hypersecretion of testosterone, hyposecretion of testosterone, hyposecretion of progesterone, and hyposecretion of estrogen. And as it is given in your question that failure of descent of testes in humans is known as cryptorchidism, which causes male sterility due to failure in maturation of sperms. Descent of testes starts during 7th month of pregnancy under the effect of hormone known as testosterone. So it is because of the hyposecretion of testosterone, which is given in option number 2, which will lead to failure of descent of testes in humans. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option, hypersecretion of testosterone, is an incorrect option. Hyposecretion of progesterone and hyposecretion of estrogen are also incorrect options. Progesterone and estrogen play no role in the process of descent of testes, and hypersecretion of testosterone is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 137. Choose incorrect match. And the very first match given is bulbourethral gland, and the match is lubrication of penis. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because bulbourethral gland, which is also known as Cowper's gland, secrete viscous mucus, which acts as lubricant, and it helps in lubrication of penis. The next match given is urethral meatus, and the match given is external opening of penis. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because at the tip of glans penis, a slit-like structure called urethral meatus is present, through which urethra opens out and discharges urine or semen. So this is an incorrect option. The next match given is uterus, and the match given is known as womb. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because uterus, which is a large, hollow, muscular and highly vascularized structure, is also known as womb. So as it is a correct match, this cannot be a correct answer. And the last match given is Sertoli cells, and the match given is secrete androgens. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because it is Leydig or interstitial cells which synthesize and secretes testicular hormones called androgens. Sertoli cells, on the other hand, secretes inhibin hormone. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 138. In case of human, male's inhibin inhibits the secretion of this hormone called inhibin, which is released from which cells? Sertoli cells. They will secrete inhibin hormone, and this inhibin hormone inhibits the hormone known as follicular stimulating hormone, or FSH. So among the given options, LH, GnRH, FSH and testosterone, the correct answer to this question is option number 3. In case of human males, inhibin inhibits the secretion of FSH. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option given is LH. LH, or luteinizing hormone, is not inhibited by inhibin. GnRH, or gonadotropin releasing hormones, they will release LH and FSH from anterior pituitary. So this is an incorrect option. Testosterone is a hormone which is secreted from Leydig cells under the effect of LH, and this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 139. Choose the correct sequence with respect to human embryonic stages. And the options are, the very first option given is blastocyst, followed by gastrula, followed by morula. And this is an incorrect option because embryonic development starts with cleavage. It starts with cleavage and undergo following steps. The very first step is zygote formation, and this is followed by cleavage, thereby forming morula, which contains 8 to 16 blastomeres, and this is followed by blastocyst stage in humans, where morula will also undergo cleavage to form blastocyst. And this stage is followed by gastrulation, which is further followed by neurulation. So the correct sequence would be formation of morula, then blastocyst, and then gastrula during gastrulation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, that is morula, blastocyst and gastrula. This is the correct answer to our question. The second option given is gastrula, blastocyst and morula, and this is an incorrect option because morula is followed by blastocyst and then develop into gastrula. The last option is gastrula, morula and blastocyst, and this is also an incorrect sequence because morula followed by blastocyst then by gastrula. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 140. Initiation of gastrulation in humans is marked by formation of, and the options are blastocele, primitive streak, morula and notochord. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, that is primitive streak, is the correct answer to our question. Initiation of gastrulation in humans is marked by formation of primitive streak, and end of gastrulation results in formation of all 3 germ layers. Blastocele is an incorrect option. In humans, blastocyst stage is present. Morula is an incorrect option because morula is followed by formation of blastocyst, and then this stage is followed by the development of gastrula during gastrulation. So morula is an incorrect option, and the last option is notochord, and this is also an incorrect option because gastrulation is followed by neurulation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question.